And there are multiple other areas in which our students are contributing, and now a lot of interest is there that we see in the students.
Making films, producing films and telling the local stories is very important.
तरबियत के बाद फिर आइडियाज़ और उसके बाद कल्चर से जितना क्लोज होगा कोई भी फिल्म मेकर उतनी अच्छी स्टोरी बन सकती है.
Unless and until we document our stories and we're able to tell people what is happening, we cannot reach to people.
Hello and welcome to Awaz the Voice Interviews. I'm your host Nazir Ganai. Today we are joined by some of the prominent academicians and filmmakers from University of Kashmir, Islamic University of Science and Technology. We have with us Akmal Hanan, who is a filmmaker, and he is part of AMRC. Mr. Akmal, how important is this storytelling, especially for a place like Jammu and Kashmir, which has seen film culture over the years and has grown with it, but for a time being it was shut, and we could not see many films coming out.
Yeah, I think making films, producing films and telling the local stories is very important. And in today's world, like last 10, 15 years, we didn't see any films coming out of Kashmir or being made locally. Like it's okay, Bollywood people come and they generate some employment here also. But the real thing is local people here, the residents should tell their own stories and the people should watch their stories. Maybe we should take up on the lines of the Iranian cinema, or we have like Vietnamese cinema. So commercial part of is okay because everybody wants to earn his or her bread and butter, but telling the local stories is very important. So I think this event will be an impetus for these kind of things. So the youth especially will take up to making the films and telling the local stories.
So Jammu and Kashmir government is holding J&K Film Conclave, which is being held at SKICC, and also the event is witnessing a large participation of filmmakers from the region. We have with us, when you talk about films, and films have to go through different processes. Zahir is with us. Zahir is from FTI Pune. Zahir, you were part of a film school, and now you're back to your valley, and you want to tell your own story. तो कितना ज़रूरी है एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए?
सबसे पहले फिल्म मेकर के लिए तरबियत का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तरबियत के बाद फिर आइडियाज़ और उसके बाद कल्चर से जितना क्लोज होगा कोई भी फिल्म मेकर उतनी अच्छी स्टोरी बन सकती है. तो मुझे वापस मुंबई से वापस चले आना कश्मीर के लिए, मैं अपनी कहानियाँ, कश्मीर की कहानियाँ बताने आया हूँ कि लोकल कहानियाँ हमारी लोग नहीं जानते हैं. कश्मीर का एक 5% ही कहे लोग जानते हैं. तो हमारे पास वार और उसके टेररिज्म के अलावा भी हमारे पास कहानियाँ हैं जो एक सॉफ्ट कहानियाँ होती है जो दुनिया में चल रही है. उस तरह की कहानियाँ बहुत ज़्यादा है और हमारा रिच कल्चर है. हमारा इस वजह से भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. हमारे लोग खूबसूरत, हमारी जगह खूबसूरत है, तो हमारी कहानियाँ भी बहुत खूबसूरत है. इसलिए हमारी कहानियों को दुनिया के सामने आना बहुत ज़रूरी है और फिल्म मेकर्स ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा होंगे तो तब जाके हमारी कहानियाँ बाहर आ सकती हैं.
हमारे साथ मोनिसा है. मोनिसा इज एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर विद इस्लामिक यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी. Monisa, we have seen, in media schools, we have seen children and mostly these students ending up in newspapers. They become reporters. We don't give them the options that they can be filmmakers, they can go into advertising, they can go into documentary filmmaking. तो कितना ज़रूरी है इंस्टीट्यूशन के लिए ये चीज़ों को स्ट्रेंथन करना?
बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो आपने टच की अभी we've seen that over last few years. What we've seen is there is a drop in the number of aspirants for particularly journalism field. So that's what gives us scope for strengthening these other areas which come under mass communication. जैसे आपने advertising की बात की, हम films की बात करें. Films are a very powerful medium, and it's not just the fiction. It's you have a huge industry in terms of documentaries right now, and वो जो inclination है वो students में हम देख रहे हैं किसी हद तक, and we as institutions, we are trying to leverage on that interest right now. So although we have not had the best of infrastructure in Kashmir for all supporting films as such, but now we are trying to boost all of that, and with today's conclave and other things that are there, initiatives to Baki government, so that will provide some hand holding to the institutions, and the universities are kind of considering offering these options and offering these courses which can kind of multiply the career avenues for our students,
तो आपके
including.
जर्नलिज्म डिपार्टमेंट से कुछ फिल्म्स अभी तक आपने बनाई है, स्टूडेंट फिल्म्स?
हाँ, कई बार. In fact, a lot of our students they are actually working in the industry right now. We met some of our former students who have come here today. One of our students has, he's a well-known actor in the films. Abrar Kazi is there. Then we have Tasadduq Hussain. So he works in the ad industry right now. But he had he was associated with Bajrangi Baijan also. He was an assistant on that. And there are multiple other areas in which our students are contributing, and now a lot of interest is there that we see in the students.
So we have with us Shaukat Shafi, who was the former public relations officer, University of Kashmir, which is a very prominent university in the Jammu and Kashmir, and also he was the director of DICA. Shaukat Shafi has been our teacher, and you have always, taught students the art of storytelling. Kashmir has witnessed difficult times. It has gone through difficult times. So how important is to document their own stories?
Very important, because unless and until we document our stories and we're able to tell people what is happening, we cannot reach to people. See, filmmaking and films, if you go way back 30 years, way back 1989, you see people here, youngsters, women, men, they had a lot of interest in films and filmmaking. People would spend time watching films, but say something in between happened, and all this broke apart. But today, when we see this film conclave, opening up today, and the new film policy opening, we hope and pray that this takes the right spirit, and people, especially from our university departments, maybe Central University, Islamic University of Science and Technology, Kashmir University, Central University, Jammu, we have a lot of talent who have not only made a name here in Kashmir, national level, but at the international level also. I think and pray and hope that people from industry should encourage boys and girls here, and they have already the talent, and they know the pulse of the people. They know where the story lies. They have not to be told, you go there and get a story. No. So they are to be encouraged, and there are a lot of stories to tell, Mr. Nazir, right from our culture, our heritage, our society. We have got everything to tell to people, and I think film is the best medium to say so.
अकमल साहब, आपने रिसेंटली एक फिल्म पे काम किया, ट्रांसजेंडर्स ऑफ कश्मीर, and it also documents the life of transgenders in Kashmir. Also tells you a poignant story about that community. That was a story which tells you a different side of the Kashmir. कितना ज़रूरी है एक फिल्म मेकर के लिए इन टेक्निकलिटीज़ को पहले समझना? Every Tom and Dick and Harry cannot, become a filmmaker.
Well, like the other this colleague said, like learning is very important. So you will have to learn the trade of filmmaking also. That's very important. In that direction, like if government patronage is very important, if government can provide some incentives, some monetary incentives, so that the people are able to conduct workshops, film workshops, short workshops, because everybody cannot go into the university and do degree courses, or everybody cannot move to the FTI or go abroad for making the films. But there's still talent at the grassroots level, which needs to come up and tell the stories of the people or tell their own stories. You talked about my film. Yeah, I happened to watch the transgender community here suffering silently. So this was at the back of my mind when I was in school. I saw them being jeered at on streets or being called names. So then it happens that sometime I saw a lot of stories in newspaper coming. So that was a healthy sign, positive sign. And then I decided to make a film on transgenders, and it got a very good response throughout the India and abroad also. It was screened in Canada. It was screened, although I want to mention that you were the music director for the film, and your music was also appreciated. It got screened at London Film Festival, and it won some awards in Chennai, Kerala also. So happy, like people should come and tell the stories, their own stories, the stories of the community. So I don't know, this is a small step in that direction, and as films transcend the boundaries, so people should know the local stories also.
Monisa, at a time when we don't have many theaters around, just now a couple of theaters have come up post this period. Do you think we are up for the vibrant film culture in Kashmir?
See, how do you understand film culture? Do we reduce it to symbolism in terms of presence of certain infrastructural setups, or do you understand it in terms of a culture that understands how films are to be made or how films are to be viewed? Because as Akmal Saab and Shaukat sir also mentioned, so you have to develop that understanding which is at the grassroots. So that's where professionalism and non-professionalism, plays a major role. So we as institutions, we consider ourselves as students of films or students of any sort of communication. So, and we do understand how important it is to understand the nitty-gritties and technicalities of any sort of a medium. So if that culture is boosted by virtue of supporting the outside industry, but then at the same time supporting the internal culture that is prevalent here, local filmmakers, local storytellers, supporting in terms of the, you've had Doordarshan or other such mediums here, but supporting them in terms of giving that futuristic view, in terms of supporting the film culture. Like maybe there would be some film calls, maybe there would be some competitions which are active, or maybe there would be some workshops which would be held quite regularly, and people are made part of that right from the school. So that way you can kind of imbibe that good culture which not only looks at fiction but also looks at documentaries.
Zahir, lastly, I have a question for you. You recently did a film on the sinking boat, which tells you a story about how families who lose their livelihood in terms of their houseboats and all. तो इस फिल्म के बनाने का क्या मकसद था, और do you think you are going ahead with some more ideas?
या ऑफ कोर्स इस फिल्म के दौरान बहुत सारे हमें आइडियाज़ आए कि कश्मीर की एक पहचान है हाउस बोट, जो किसी के नज़र में नहीं आ रहा है, लोग नज़रअंदाज कर रहे हैं कि हाँ था एक हाउस बोट, अभी नहीं है, ऐसा कह रहे हैं। तो वो चीज़ हमें वो पसंद नहीं आया, क्योंकि हमारी एक आइडेंटिफिकेशन है जो धीरे धीरे ख़त्म हो रही है। तो हमें लगा कि इसको बनाना बहुत ज़रूरी है, और इसके साथ जुड़े हुए जो लोग हैं, वो जो सफ़र कर रहे हैं, उनका दिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि वो कहाँ जाएँ, किस तरह से वो ज़िंदगी गुजारे। उसके बाद दूसरा अल्टरनेटिव है ही नहीं उनके पास, उसके अलावा कोई काम आता नहीं है। बिल्कुल, इसके लिए बनाना था।
शौकत साहब, हमने ये देखा कि बहुत सारे हमारे एक्टर्स, मोनिसा भी अभी कह रही थी कि कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जो है वो एड इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हैं, इंडियन हिंदी सिनेमा में भी काम कर रहे हैं, लेकिन वी एज कश्मीरी कम्युनिटी, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर हैज़ फेल्ड टू क्रिएट इट्स ओन फिल्म्स largely, if you see. And if you see, दूरदर्शन was the only medium जहाँ पे लोग कुछ या तो ड्रामा बनाते थे या कुछ छोटा छोटा डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज यहाँ पे आती थी। तो एक फिल्म का जो बनना है, we could not do that. तो क्या लगता है आपको कि क्यों ऐसा हुआ?
I think Monisa already talked about it, but personally, I feel that there are certain things, like she talked about theatre culture in Kashmir, which is very important. Unless we don't have prominent and meaningful theatre groups in Kashmir who work towards a goal and train people in, being good actors, in articulating, in being able to articulate their voices as actors, it is not possible. One. Second is that we must have certain organizations are coming up now in the field of literature, encouraging students to write stories. Like we have Guild coming up very recently, which is doing wonderful. Similarly, I would like some senior artists, especially 10-20 senior artists, to come together and form a group in Kashmir where they can train our new generation.
बिल्कुल, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, और आप सबका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और मुझे लगता है कि जो शौकत साहब ने एक सुझाव यहाँ पे रखा कि फिक्शन राइटर्स गिल्ड अभी रिसेंटली आया, लेकिन जम्मू कश्मीर की अभी ये भी सूरत हाल है कि अभी तक आपके पास आर्ट गैलरी नहीं है, अभी तक आपके पास आर्ट स्पेसेस नहीं है वेयर आर्टिस्ट कैन सिट, दे कैन exchange their ideas, they can sit and talk about films, about fiction, about screenplays, and just sit with themselves also. So उसको बनने की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.